welcome to Slime Rancher 5. I already recorded number 5, but my recording software keeps screwing up, and I actually have no idea why. I thought I fixed it, and it just decides to not work sometimes. So, yeah. But luckily, the part I recorded was just me popping big dudes. That was the whole episode. So as you can see now, I have 4 slime keys. So this episode I'm gonna record in like 3 different segments, so that if the recording software screws up, I won't lose an entire episode worth of progress. And then it'll be like, I just did some off-camera grinding and now I have like 40 new slimes. So we are going to quickly go over what happened in the last video. Oh yeah, I got a crystal slime thing, or what's it called? Styles. So they're ruby red or something like that. Look at them. They're very pretty. Okay, just did a test. Recording software is working so far. I'm going to be very cautious because this episode, we're actually planning to do stuff. We're gonna go explore because we have so many slime keys that we can explore, which is always fun. I think I know approximately where I want to go. Not really though, so I'm basically just going to run around. Actually, let's see. Okay, so if we go on our map here, we've been out here. This one time we did last episode. I'll have to go back there. We've been all the way out here through the entire Lost Blanket. We've gone out here to the end of a quarry, and what's that? Amazing, like, that's a hometown quarter. Okay, we have not been here, or we have been here. Okay, we haven't been here, and that's all question mark? No. This is somewhere else. This is, what is this? I don't know. Might be the glass desert, but I won't explain what that is yet. So we're trying to go here. I can stay away from my clip, I know. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's like Silverados, go off the range, go into this area, go up. And here's the cave with all the angry slimes. We go up into the Cave quarry, it's like a starting area, go through, and we're gonna wanna go, it's like that way, we're gonna go up into this cave, which should lead us here. We're gonna wanna go up here, jump up around here, find the home portal, go up around, and, I don't think that's, oh, never mind, I'm done, I know how to get this. I do have to go over what we did and go, you know, re-explore. I missed all of those shots. Okay, Indigo Quarry, right? We gotta go recap quickly. Anyways, what I did is I went through here, and you know that guy from the thumbnail of episode 3? I'll probably put an image or something up right now. Boom, boom, image editing. Nathan, do that. He is dead. We killed him. It was glorious. Where am I going? This leads nowhere, apparently. Oh yeah, they're right. It does lead nowhere. Blew up. And I also said, I'll do an impression of myself. I marked my words. Next episode, I'm gonna pop this guy, and you don't know who this guy is, but I'll show you. I just need a lot of chickens, so we're gathering chickens now. Boom, chicken. So according to map, we go here. I just want to see if I can get here through the other area. Okay, here we go. Get this door. You might need to take this side, maybe. Or take it along. There's one. There. Oh. Yeah, that's not possible. We also exploded this guy right here. I'll try to put a picture up of him right now. He is also gone. Now we have a portal to over here. New H note that I already read, so. There you go. Pause the video or something, I don't know. Chicken. So this, we are out here now. You see, I was like, oh, we already explored out here. Yeah, we're out here now. There's some cool things. These are apparently called fire flowers, so we're in Mario now. This is Mario Land. so we got these sad fellows up here. Eat it. There you go. Just eat the things. Anyways, there was a big crystal guy up here. I'll put up a picture of him now. Or I'll try to. It's gonna be really sad if I don't. Anyways, killed this guy. And he gave us another slime key. The big rad guy also gave us a slime key. The blue guy gave us a portal, so meh. So we have this cave, which is full of exactly nothing. There is nothing in this cave. It's just more crystal slimes. But look, they're all pretty now. We made them pretty. If this guy would stop being hungry. Hey, veggie? Here, take one of these. Stop being hungry and look at me. No. What are you doing? What is so interesting? Ow. 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 Yeah, so this is where we found the thing to make the crystal slimes look pretty. And yeah, that's literally all that's on this island as far as I'm concerned. There might be some stuff over here. Let's go check that out right now. But like, no, nothing really. Oh, there's this. That is locked. Oh, there's something over here. What a nice place right here. If I'm right, this has something to do endgame. But once again, not gonna spoil that. Ooh, chickens. Oh god. Chickens. Ooh. This is just, oh, there's another fancy part. This is just Crystal Slime Island. Anyways, that's all for this island. Oh. Yeah, you're done. You probably got the phone or something. If it's a US bombing or something. Oh. US probably has that, right? Stop. Out of here, man. I keep getting these Oka-Okas, or whatever they're called. I hope I pronounced that right. Oka-Oka. Sounds like the noise a caveman makes when they like discovered fire. They're like, oh, Oka-Oka. No, that's a bad noise. Oka-Oka. That's what it sounds like. Okay, I just stopped the recording and restarted it because it's still working, I think. If this video doesn't come out, you'll know why. Actually, you won't know why because it's this own video. There will be no one telling you this. I'll just be a figment of your imagination. If anyone's imagination start telling them that I'm not posting a video right now, that would be why. I would go pick up their plorts, but one, I'd get hurt a lot, and two, I'm just gonna wait until the price ramps up like crazy, because the market in this game is kind of like those, like, what are they called? Cryptocurrencies, as in it goes up and down depending on how many are sold. So since I'm selling no crystal or rad plorts, the price should go up until they're very expensive, and then I sell them all and I get tons of money. Yeah, 66 and 81, they're still going up. Okay, I'm just going to go out right now because I don't know, I'm trying to make this video very quick. I'm just gonna slurp you two up. It's supposed to be brief recap and then exploring, so yeah, or it might just be brief recap. and maybe popping a fat guy that I said in the last recording that I was gonna pop. There's many chickens. Very happy. Oh, hey there, you. Get back off there. Ooh. I'll save you. These are chickadoos. You guys live there. You know, this is, Numi and Dino. Okay? This is Numi right here, and this is Dino. Okay, Numi despawned. Oh yeah, listen to this. This is great. One second. Look at that, that's great. I have turned the game volume down so that hopefully my voice is like speechable. Cause I was watching my other videos and I was like, ooh, man. Oh, there's so many chickens. Delicious. This is like the chicken mania, the chicken central of the entire universe. Stop. So yeah, over here, there's a man that we killed. I mean, we fed him food until he stopped existing. There's a honey guy right here. I'll put up a picture. Boom, there's a picture. He died, and he also gave us a slime key, which is great. Okay, we have 50 out of 50 hens, or, yeah, that's good. So yeah, we also flew across here, we did some exploring, and over here, we, we found an H note, apparently. Pause the video, I'm not going to sit around here, though. I did read it in the last video, something about being in love, I don't know. Couldn't be me. Oh, that's a cool looking thing right there. Wow, that's very cool. You know, there's an achievement for exploding a boom slime in the sky. If I like do this and then he blows up. And then he blows up. Oh, may have killed a man. Slime style, I think they're called. It makes hunter slimes look different. Speaking of hunter slimes, I think I was probably supposed to find one up here. Because I found like 5 up here. I just need to create a tar that gets them out. They camouflage, so they're very difficult to see. You see their weird eyes blobbing around. See, here's a largo of one. Oh, get out of here. Don't eat my... Oh, you're feral. Oh, he's feral. Clutch it with the pogo fruit. Boom. There we go. This is a largo, a pink hunter largo. Yeah, and I would say that, he's pink because he was fused with a pink slime, but the actual skin just makes them pink, which I hate. They are not, it just makes them look like glorified pink slimes. These guys need to chill out, my man. This guy's angry and he's dying at the same time. That's not how it works. There's more of them. Listen up here, guys. Anyways, yeah, I found like 5 hunter slimes. I'll show you them once we get back to the ranch. So H-Man over here, he was like, you can read it right now. Yeah, Mr. H-Man is like, hey, you're gonna die. You should have some upgrades or else you're gonna die. And I said, too bad for him. I do not care. We do not care. Okay, this is where I wanted to show you. These guys can get out of here. Yeah, shoot. Nothing else? Okay, so you're like, oh man, what a huge mushroom. That's a very... Oh, I heard the noise. I heard the noise. Get out of here. Y'all shoo. No. I'm fighting invisible slimes. Well, that guy looks cool. He's also gone now. Is that all? Bring him on, bring him on. Okay, that was all of them. So if you get some air, we found the Hunter Gordo. Look at this thing. On top of the biggest mushroom is the biggest hunter slime. Now I think if you look away, he like... Yeah, he goes invisible. And you can still see his eyes. So this is what they look like normally without the slime style, but like, you know, less obese. So we're going to just give them stony hands. Okay, go. We're going to pop this guy right now. Okay, just making sure the recording software is working. Go. Boom. Dead. Well, look at him. Hey, another slime key. Amazing. We're just gonna smash some boxes now. That's some useful looking things. Look at all these hunter slimes that I'm not gonna grab. You can have all these chickens that I found. I have so many chickens. I'll grab these. These are needed for other things. That's pretty nice. Gave us... Ew. Yeah, that's what we did. We popped a dude, and then now we popped that guy. So now we have 5 slime keys. We also came here, and I was like, no way, where's this? And then I was like, I don't know. YouTuber whose name I am not going to say, because it's my own name in personal safety. How did you... Oh, I fell down. And then I saw this tree, and I was like, wow, that's a big live tree. And then I realized it's a giant dead tree, and then a live tree over there. If I turn directly around, there's apparently a giant tree that way. See it in the distance? Oh yeah. That's a big tree right there. Wow. Just admire that. Anyways. Oh yeah, and then I was like, I'm gonna go do something else, and then I didn't do something else, and I just went home. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, we are back. I am just going to plop these on the ground for later. There we go. That is almost completely what we did last episode. I'm just going to do some ranch work, you could say. Then I'll show you what we did last episode, and then we're going to explore a new biome. Actually, I'm gonna post the new biome separately? As a separate video? I'm not sure. I think I'll just... Not sure. I'm conflicted. You know, we're gonna do some sort of stupid cliffhanger so that I can just record 2 separate videos, and then people can have to watch all of them if they want to know that a new biome is behind the secret gate. I'm telling you the secret right now. There is! Sorry, what was that? I don't remember. Anyways, these are the hunter slimes we found. You can tell by their hunter slimy faces. Look at them. Diet meat. I should get another slime for them, but I put them in here because there's free chickens, and they eat chickens. So, free food. No gardens or anything. And I'll show you the final thing we did last episode right now. Okay, so if you remember correctly, there was a guy here. There's a picture on the screen right now of him. This is what he looks like. Hopefully I put a picture up. We popped him too. And we got this portal. Now, spoiler alert, this portal goes out there. So like, out here to this like thing of islands. So yeah, here we go. We're here, and then boom, we're over here. Yup, portal. And yeah, this island is literally just, it's just this place over here, but slightly extended. And, it's a pretty cool island. But the best part about it is that, let's see if I can speed run. I didn't have to speedrun. At the very top, right here, picture up on the screen, big pink guy. Again, there's two pink guys. Just like the fact that there's two rock guys. I don't know, we blew him up and he gave us another slime key, which is just as good as the last slime key. We might be able to unlock almost everything in the game. Like, there's only, what, like 3 biomes left? I don't even think there's 3 biomes left. I almost died. Anyways, this island was extremely boring. There's nothing here. And then I made a comment about this being a death pit because you pop out of the portal and you'd fall and die. So yeah, that existed. And this is a box with a bunch of useless stuff in it. So yeah, that's all that happened last episode. We just popped everything. We exploded every man except for that other guy, because I was like, I don't have any chickens on me. So I was like, next episode we're gonna blow that guy up, and I blew that guy up. So yeah, that's literally all that happened. Whatever it's called. I think I'm gonna end this episode very near here. We're going to go to the site of the fancy new dramatic, heavily edited biome entrance thing. And yeah, then I'm just going to leave you guys on a cliffhanger after okay. I'm going to heavily speed this up, but I have to do some like mighty ranch chores right here. Not this right now. This is small ranch chores. I have to go empty all the corrals because problem with this game is once you get to a certain point in the game, if you want to go adventuring, it's like you can only leave for a few days before your corrals end up like this, and they're just full of stuff. Like, okay, here we go. I'm gonna speed this up by like 5 times. I'll write it on the screen right now. This is how fast I'm gonna speed it up. Okay? Starting 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, that took so long. Now that I say it, I just, as a side note when I'm editing, please speed the past like 4 minutes to 20 times speed. Okay, I'm going to have that written on the screen as well. 20 times speed is going to be how much I speed that up. It's like 20.6 times speed or something. I don't know. It's a lot of speed because that took so long. And now that I think of it, the door I'm going to open is sort of very anticlimactic. But meh. I really don't care. So, we're gonna open it anyways. And then act like it's all dramatic, and then the next episode, we can do a different thing, and then, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna juice you, milk? Juice? Squeeze? I'm going to squeeze more views out of you guys by making a different video. Okay, you guys all happy? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in. I am going back. Yay. Oh, I screwed it up. Aw, man. Very cool. Anyways, you hear this weird sounding music? Yeah, well, this is what we're doing. Here we go.